essentially, karmic relationships are include all the most significant interactions we have with other people in our circle of influence. Family, friends, lovers, spouses. We have karmic ties with all the people that we have any kind of significant contact in our life. And I see karma as energy. It's an energetic tie, and it has a frequency that you would say either is constructive or challenging. And so those ties connect us to all the people that we have significant interactions with in any way. And of course, the closer they are to us, or the more significant, our relationship is with them, typically the stronger or the more significant the karmic tie is. Many things that ties us to other people karmically that really have their roots mainly in past lives. I mean, certainly they have a manifestation in this life, but they go back many lives. So we had to clean up a lot of trauma, you might say really destructive trauma, that had come up in their sort of idyllic, sort of soulmate relationship after a year of marriage. That stuff started to surface. And that's really what happens in all our relationships. Positive and negative karmic ties start to unravel. And so often they unravel in ways that we don't understand and we don't handle in a constructive way. And my process just accelerates that unraveling, clears it so that, individuals can really be present with how they really feel and where they really are with a significant other or anybody. It could be somebody you work with. It could be anyone that you have ties with. And when there's conflict, when there's often some kind of tension that's ongoing, typically it has roots in some kind of past life karma.